Right now, these minimalist Stickman animation sketches are going crazy viral across TikTok and Reels. These videos get millions of views because they tap into the most awkward social struggles we all face every single day. In this tutorial, you will see exactly how you can make them too, step by step, completely from scratch. First, open the GPT link I left in the description. It opens right inside ChatGPT. Now you need to type your idea into the message bar. For this example, let's use one of the starters like job interview. Hit enter. The GPT will transform that concept into a 5-scene cinematic story. You will see the GPT output. Then it will generate 5 different scenes, and you will see 5 image prompts tucked inside gray code blocks. Each block has a copy button in the top right corner. Click on the copy button for the first scene in the to right corner. This copies the entire physical action and environment description. Now open Google Flow. Click on the Create New Image button. You will see a large text field at the top of the screen. Paste your first prompt right there. Now look for the Model Selector drop-down menu. Click on it and choose Imagen Quattro. Select 9:16, then click the Generate button. While that is rendering, go back to the prompt field and delete the text. Paste your second prompt from the GPT. Click Generate again. Do this for every single prompt until you have all 5 scenes rendered as images. Once they are all finished, you can turn these images into dynamic animations. First, you need to request it on GPT. Just type, make a video prompt for each scene with 8 seconds, VO scripts. After that, you can copy the first prompt and paste it to your chosen image to video tool. You can use Google Flow or FlexClip for this. One more thing before we move on. You can download the reference image from the link in the description. Every time you generate a new image to your chosen image to video tool, upload this reference image alongside your prompt. This keeps the Stickman looking exactly the same across every single clip so he doesn't change shape. Now, if you want to skip all that manual work, there is a much faster way to scale. We put together everything you need inside our school community. The link is in the description. Inside In School, go to Classroom tab, then click the Airtable template, then find the 2D Sketch Minimalist Comedy tab. Then now you can see there's a ready-to-use prompts that you can duplicate on your own. After that, you can go to the Airtable link, just scroll up a bit, then click that link. After opening the link, you will see a tab right here called New Content Production Hub. Click that tab, and then you will see this tab section on the left side corner. This time, click the Project Management and go to Channels. After that, you will see a different kind of channels here, but now let's look for channel called 2D Stickman. Click on that channel. Scroll down until you find the Episodes section. Let's create our first automated episode. Type EP1 as the title in the first column. Click on that Episode tab to open the details. Find the Idea column and type Job Interview. Now look for the Status tab. Set the status to the Story Automation button. Wait a few minutes until you see the thumbnail picture appear in the cell. Once the thumbnail is there, change the status to Full Automation. So the system will now run in the background to generate the scripts, create the images, and organize everything automatically, so you do not have to switch between different tools. You can copy these images and make it into animation style. Now your video needs the right soundtrack to match the frantic energy. Go to Artlist. In the search bar, type fast-paced quirky comedy. Browse the results and pick a track that sounds sarcastic and upbeat. Download HeTrack. For the narration, first copy the voice over scripts from the GPT wrote for you earlier, then go to 11 Labs. This is where we create that deep, mysterious voice. Paste all the scripts into the text box. Browse the voice library and pick one that sounds fast-paced and slightly frantic. Look for a voice that has a dry, cynical tone. Click Generate and then download the audio file. Now open CapCut to assemble the final edit. Import all your video clips, your music track, your sound effects, and your voiceover file. Drag your video clips onto the timeline in the correct order from stage 1 to stage 5. Lay the voiceover track on top. Line it up so the character's reaction matches the narration exactly. Drop your music track underneath and lower the volume to about -20 decibels, so it is a soft background layer. Now add your sound effects on the specific action points, like the first bite. Trim any dead space at the beginning or end of the clips. Make sure the transitions flow smoothly. After that, your video is now ready.
I walked in like a visionary leader despite having exactly 3 rehearsed answers and 0 emotional stability. The handshake lasted 1 second too long, which immediately upgraded the meeting into a hostage negotiation. They asked my biggest weakness, so naturally I delivered a 6-part documentary on being too passionate.
And now you need to get it out there. You could just upload manually, but if you want to be smart, use a scheduling tool. If you are on a budget, go with Metricool to handle your basic multi-platform posting. If you want the absolute best experience, use Vista Social. Upload your video once and write your title, then schedule it across YouTube, TikTok, and Reels, all from one dashboard. Schedule an entire month of these food characters in one afternoon. Then sit back and let the algorithm do its thing while you sleep. Remember, everything including the prompts and the Airtable template is waiting for you in the school community. Link in the description.